Today we'll be learning to build a chatbot. That's a role-based chatbot. Okay, so that's I'm going to open my Jupyter notebook. Okay, so something just simple as this. We'll use just let's say about less than 9 lines of code. So we should get our chatbot working. Okay. So what's is a chatbot? Okay, so these are application trained to mimic like human interaction. Okay, so chatbots are very popular these days, and then they are very useful in assisting in booking, making queries, and then making orders. Okay. And then we have chatbot builders. So these are softwares or services that allow you to build chatbots with ease. And then examples of chatbots are Swelly, eBay bots, and the likes. Okay, so let's see the types of chatbots. We have the button bots. Okay, so these button bots, what they do is the bots ask a question and then it's programmed to have predefined answers that's on a button. So when you click on that button, okay, or any of the buttons, it would give the response. Then we have conversational chatbots. Okay, so we have the rule-based chatbots, the intent-based chatbots, and then the autonomous chatbots. So we'll be using the rule-based chatbots for today. And then this is made possible using the natural language understanding and then NLP, natural language processing. Okay, so the processing helps in computers to understand and then manipulate and then interpret human um, language. And then the natural language understanding machines to um, helps machine to make sense of like users input. Okay, so that's natural language understanding. Okay, so let's see. So we have the intent based and then the autonomous as you see here. Okay, so let's just do this quickly. So first of all, you need to pip install NLTK. So that's a natural language toolkit. Okay, so your exclamation mark and then type pip install. Okay, so exclamation mark and then pip install NLTK. And then you shift and enter or you run it here. So let us download the libraries or install the libraries. Okay. Okay, so it's already installed. Okay, and then we're going to import the this from nltk.chat.util import chats, then we'll and then the reflections. Okay, so here what I did was I just type reflections so that I'll see this. Okay, so let's see what happens here. So with the reflection, so I am, and then you get you are, I was, you were, I, you. So this kind of pronouns so that the chatbot will know how to respond to you. Okay. So using the from nltk.chat.util import chats reflections, and then we have the pairs. Okay, so the pairs you have these what's the name? Square brackets, and then you have another square bracket with your question and then the answer. So it pairs your answers and then your questions. Okay, so your answers and then your questions to your answers, and then when you come here, you have the chat equals to chat. Okay, so chat equals to chat. Remember that this chat is capital C, then pairs, comma, reflections, and then chat dot converse. And then you can start chatting. Open. Okay, I didn't run this, so let me run this and then run this. Okay, so first, if I input anything, I'll get an error like none. But this is what I actually program it for. So when I type this, it should give me a result. Okay. Okay, so it's the best thing to do. Okay, so that's the answer for that. If I add I need help, okay, ask your friend. Oh yeah, so you can see. So if I want to end it, I'll just use function and then it should end the chat. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.